I'm with Carl Frappaolo of the EVP of Delphi Group. We're here at a FAST conference all about search. Search is obviously used widely as a way to find things, but that isn't necessarily the way it's going to be used.
That's what's been running through my head. You know, David, like yourself, I've been following the search market for decades now, and the promises of search have matured as the technology has matured. And the buzzword several years ago was, well, it's not about search, it's about finding. Well, I think we've kind of conquered that, right? Because you can go onto the web, as the classic example, throw in a Google search and, well, here's 50,000 documents that do indeed address the issue that you were looking for. So clearly, yes, I can find what it is that you want to know. So it's like, it's the not finding or tell me where the real jewels are. So it's the mining, or what I'm calling teaching. I'm starting to think of it as the role of search is to teach me. It's that really good research advisor that says, well, you know, I got you jump started here with the top 10, 20 documents, but you don't really need to see everything else that's being said on this until something really new comes along. So putting in sensitivity to the way search is done and understanding the perspective of what's being said, and is this something actually new on the subject that you're looking at? Is it a different opinion, a really different opinion? Is it bringing in a negative opinion as opposed to all the positive that you've been hearing? And keeping me alert of big changes in this concept, and not just every time something else is being said on the concept.
So in the sort of prototypical search, you know that you don't know something, and you type in some words, you hit the button, and you get back something that tells you what you were looking for.
Right.
But, that prototypical use of search doesn't sound like teaching. It sounds like you're thinking about something
way beyond that. Right. So the prototypical search may be the way I get started. But now I say, well, you know, there's some interesting tidbits in this, and I didn't know that this was true, and I didn't know that that was true, so help me explore. So the whole navigation thing comes in there. That, I think, is available today. Not everyone's using it, but it's there. So help me drill down in areas I wasn't aware of. But the teaching part comes in with, okay, I just established a benchmark. This is what I know. You were my teacher. You exposed me. As more and more content is being published, don't push everything to me. Push new opinions, new ideas, changes in sentiment, changes of opinion. So keep my knowledge up to date. Don't exhaust me with the same old stuff.
So what has to happen, I guess, technologically or in terms of the infrastructure to enable that type of teaching search to
The search technology really has to become a lot more intuitive in analyzing the text, understanding what is actually being said. So it's going way beyond, is this relevant to what you want to know? Yes, it's relevant. Is it new? Does it represent something different? So it has to be able to compare it to what you've already seen and say, is there something here that represents an unknown fact or opinion in your library that you need to be exposed to? And to weigh that, you know, who's the source? Is it worth knowing about this? So there's a lot that's going to have to go on.
Well, so that assumes a lifetime commitment to your search partner.
Yes, so to speak. Yeah, it's an ongoing,
it's much
getting
more like
to know you type
getting married
thing.
and speed dating. So.
Yes, right. Great analogy.
I already regret it. Thanks very much.
David, always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you.